huh? Oh, okay. Check. Okay. Test. Test. Hold on. Check. Hold on. I'm gonna check through my test. Test. Is this thing on? Test. 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 Is this thing on? Okay. I'm not going to create a loop, but yeah. All right. I don't know how loud is this to be, but I am going to check anyway. I'm just checking that. Right. Anyways, if you are hearing this, that means I am I have done my job correctly. I don't know how stable this is, or how, or more importantly, I guess how loud am I. I'm gonna learn how to stream in due time. It's just to wait. All right. Though I guess this is just as any just a good time as any for me to just explain myself, I guess. Alright. I'm okay. I'm done. Just explain myself of what is this going to be. This is just going to be a simple stream that I'm going to try. So as the title may imply, yes, I am a guy that have been learning. I've been making simple games in Unity, nothing too complex, nothing too crazy, and have been making them for a while, though have kind of slowed down quite a bit in the coming years in these recently. There we go. Recently have slowed down quite a bit because of focusing on just finishing my goddamn what was it? My goddamn finishing my college stuff. Yeah, there we go. So but like nowadays, since I'm practically free, I'm practically done with my college, and I'm currently broke. Why not? What else? I have a lot of free time. Why not just try streaming? And not only just streaming, why not try something new? And Godot is something new to me. Again, like I said, like the title and the thing that I just stated before, I am a Unity guy. I am not a Godot person. I have heard good things about Godot, and as to for those of you who are wondering why I am like switching, I guess I'm not. I mean, I'm not switching really. I may switch if I think Godot is sufficient enough, but I personally think Unity is a fine thing. I'm not like saying that Unity is bad now. I want to switch. Like no. It's just again, I want to try something new. I want to try something new. I want to try streaming as well, and why not, learn something new as well. So I guess that's it. That's kind of like everything that I want to talk about mostly. Let's see, docs dot google.com. I guess I also want to do like, let's just do before any weird data. Right. So yeah. I'll be using 3.5.2. I'm currently listening. I am currently listening to nobody. So if if you are stumbling into, if you stumbled into this video somehow, some way, and you know anything about Godot, I tried getting the latest one, which is like uh, this Godot 403. But when I try to do anything with it, it's wacky. It's doing weird stuff. Um, so this is what Godot looks like. Godot 403, the Godot 4. What Godot 4 looks like is this. There we go. First off, this and if you hover into, I think, the buttons where the button should be, the back side, the project manager, have this thing. And even if we like press cancel there and I tried making a new project, this happened, which is not probably what's supposed to happen. Somehow this have this, and I think it's working kind of, because when I hover over some of these things, like for example, if I do this, there's this the background, the project manager flashed what the create new project should should display, but somehow didn't. But I don't know. I don't know. Maybe if any of you are from the future know why this is happening, maybe could help me with this. But because of this inconvenience, I think I'm not going to go for version 4 yet. Maybe yeah, maybe later if I got like a confirmation or something, we could I could switch to 4. I mean, I don't think it will be that difficult, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see what else. Yeah. Um, since I am just again, uh, since I'm just starting this, I guess I not import this. Let's go to assets library projects. I think I just like Pong game. I think I just enjoy instead of looking at tutorials, looking at basic tutorials. I could just look at like an existing game and how it's a simple game, how is it programmed, and then make my own game, and like at first edit the game to make sure it's correct, and then make my own game. Um, so that's Pong. So I guess we're going to do Pong. Though before we start wrecking that game, tearing that game apart, I think we're gonna make a simple plan. So the goal of this is, the main one will be let's put it in bold. So the the main one would be just create a game where you can control a box with WSND, right? And then there's like border. Depending on how fast I can do it, probably not that difficult, probably because like I can just look at the Pong game and like, all right, get it. I guess we go with extra. The extras, we can have things like score plus coin. So we can generate some coins. And after that, we can also have enemy generation plus health, and probably game over as well. Game over. There we go. This is kind of like the extra, but again, this depends heavily on how's everything going on. How fast I can go with this, the simple controller box with WSD with board. Again, it shouldn't be that difficult because I would just modify this Pong game. But you know what? So before that, let's click on this Pong game. Let's download. Oh, this is a very basic Pong game made with Godot. How do you spell Godot? Install project. Let's browse this. Let's document. Let's create. Not in C, in D documents. We don't have Godot yet. Let's create a new folder. Okay, Godot. And this, let's select current folder and install and edit. Package installed successfully. Alright, we have done it. We have created a game. Right. Let's just wait. I guess whoa, I didn't think it'll be this. Let's just play actually. Debugging process started, and let's just allow access. How do you control? We have the double end Cindy and this. Okay, so very slow, but is workable. Why is it very slow but workable? This it appears that this is just this is like a very simple system. If you know anything about Pong, you know that depending on where you bounce the ball, the trajectory will be different. The trajectory, there we go. The trajectory of where the ball would go would be different. If you are like hitting it at the edge, you will the ball will go like further. But okay, but yeah, this is just simple. This is, I guess I mean it's what in the box. Very simple game. Thus, okay, all right. I mean, the point of this is not just to just enjoy a game of Pong. We want to see how this thing would work. We want to. We want. So we want to see how this would work, and thus let's start looking. So we have these nodes. I've read a bit about like the node system, and this is, I think this, what's this? This node is a kinematic body 2D. This is probably, we can move this then. Collision, motion, and moving platform. Okay. Pause physics. This is transform Z index. Z index is the layering, right? Visibility, material. Okay. And we're probably going to see this script somewhere. So there's the collision, motion, and moving. Okay. So we have kinematic, collision, layer 1, input, pickable, node 2D, transform. Okay, that's the sprite is probably the box, and the collision shape is the let's zoom in. Okay, so collision shape is the box, the simple Yeah, the sprite is the box. Let's move it. Let's try moving that. Okay. Oh, you move the entire thing. Okay, yeah. Sprite, and the collision shape is the invisible one, but the one that controls the collision. The same goes for player 2, and there's also walls. So walls only have collision shape. Collision shape is like colliders probably then. And there's the score left and right. That's probably the collider that checks the ball. What's this? This is a label. No. This is the score. This is just the score. Okay. So this is we have the right and left wall, which controls what does this control? This is an empty script. Just blocks the. I guess this just blocks the collision. The player sprite, both players. So this is what's this? This is left. Oh no, this is for the ball, right? Collision. Yeah, this is for the ball. Never mind. So wait, what? Import static to fit empty physics material, visibility. Okay. So what's the difference between up wall and down wall though? Up wall and down wall should be able to block, if I'm mistaken. So right wall, what's the difference here? Empty script. Nothing. What? Up wall? Again, empty script. Huh. These are both collision shaped though. What's the difference then? Well, maybe it's all in the code. Let's alright, what's this? This is just a sprite node, and this ball. Ball is probably the most complex one because you're gonna collide with this, and this. So both players and all four walls will collide with the ball some way or another. Empty script. That is interesting. So the script is in the game. Wow. Okay. Let's look at the script then. So we have the game. So this is game.gd. What? Nothing. So we have the game.gd, the ball.gd, for game. Game just this. What? Huh. Get node. So that's how we get access to all of those. So there's the just process. This is the start, this is the update. Okay, so velocity.x equals move.x, velocity.y equals move.y, and this is like the start position. Okay, collision, move and collide, velocity. What's move and collide? Is this just the thing that got velocity times delta? What's delta? Okay. If collision, parent I collided with collision.collider name. Okay, I think. This is a very interesting one. Um, okay. Left wall hit it. Resetting position. Okay, I get it. What if I do this? Oop, oop. Huh. Oh, maybe witness for a bit. Um. Yeah, no, that's just okay. All right. Ignore that. I'm just I should be concentrating here. Right. So move and collide is presumably a node to the function, just a physics thing. So we like extend kinematic body to these. Probably the reason we got all that. Um, so we have move and collide with like velocity is the movement, and delta. Don't do that. Delta. Where's the delta? Delta. Oh. Oh. Oh, delta is just the frame, I guess. The so that's ball, that's game. Let's open the last screen. There's two scripts. So there's move and slide. What's slide? Okay, I think it's a very easy one. For movement equals vector 2, score equals 0. Wait, how do you get the score then? What up? Empty script? How do you get this? Oh, export int. Huh. Alright, so export. Where's the player 2? Let's look at wall again. So if collide with like left or right wall, so just that. Okay. So the entire game, basically the entire game is in the ball, which I guess something we could put in like our project. We should probably change. So there's is input. Okay, and I guess the player 2 will have similar things. Yes, it's just player 2 up and down that is different. I guess we can also have like the project settings, which probably has the input map. There we go. So we have UI up and down. There we go. This is the player 1 up, player 1 down, player 2 up, and player 2 down. Localization. Okay, nothing else. Cool. Doesn't look that hard. Probably wrong, but I think. So we have all of that. Game. If we just Control Z. Okay, what's this now? Why? Oh, whoa, what? Oh, this is just an entire new thing. Okay. So this is all of the scripts in the Node game, like every script. All right. So I guess a better way though is to put like the main script in game instead of in the ball. I think putting everything in the ball, well, it works for this simple one, but may not work everywhere else. So, but yeah, I see that. So, yeah, we can probably do this. So control a box with W, S, and D. Can we just let's copy this actually. Let's actually copy this. This is probably a very interesting one. And then let's just go. Can we not just do multiple Godot? So that's wrong. Let's create a new project. Let's go test stream and let's use the same documents Godot, and then oh god, oh wow, okay. Let's maybe create a new folder called as test stream. Okay, OpenGL. I guess we're going to do this just because if I'm going to put like my games on GitHub, I think it's fun that way. Let's create an edit. Right, this is my game, and so again, the plan is simple. We create a wait. Why am I in 3D? We go 2D. Okay, there we go. So let's just create a root node, 2D scene. Let's call it game, and let's let's create a add child node, spatial control node to D. What's the thing in the thing again? This is a kinematic. Okay, there we go. Kinematic body to D. Kinematic body to D. Right. What's this? This node has no shape. Okay, and then after that we gonna add a node to D, which is let's delete this, and we go node to D, and we have the collision shape to D. Yes. So we have the collision shape. What's wrong here? Rectangle shape. Okay, there we go. So, and we're going to put this, all of this, in. Let's try. And I guess hold on. Let's add a sprite node to sprite. Right, we going to get all of this. No. I want the entire thing here. So this. What's the? Oh, this is 1024. What's the game? Let's look at the transform. No. What's? Boot splash display. This 1024 and 600. So I guess I want to put this in. Where is it? The transform. There we go. Position is. So 1024 is 512. Oh. Twice. Okay, 512, and then 600 we go 300. That should be the middle of the game. Actually, let's also put this here. Why is the 2 that and 300? And I guess, yeah, that's true. Let's just put this in 0 then. Right. So we have the kinematic body. We have the collision shape, and we have the sprite. I guess we have everything we need. We just need the script. Let's create a new script. Call it player. Actually, let's cancel this. Let's change this to player, and then let's add new script, and now we have player.gd. Okay. Declare member variables here, and func ready, and yeah, and there's a func process. Delta is the elapsed time since the previous frame. Let's just look at this. Let's just look at the. Let's save this for a second. Save scene as path is game. Yeah, let's just save it as game, and then let's look at. So, and on the game we have the game, which just extends node to D. Let's instead add. So we have extends kinematic body to D. This is the player, and I guess we want to create speed, right? Let's look at player 1. Speed equals. Do we need the thing? We just need to call it far. So far speed equals. Let's put 300. Right? Alright. What else? Don't even have function ready, so I guess it's fine. Let's go function instead of passing. So this is what happening every frame, and delta is like the elapsed time since the previous frame. So I mean, we can just copy and paste, but I think we're just gonna write it down. Okay, so if so if input dot oh yeah, we have all of this. So input dot button pressed, so I guess is action pressed. So dot is action pressed. Oh, we have the just pressed and just released as well. Okay, I get that. So I guess this is like the press, hold, and release type of deal, where just pressed. For example, if the button is like a 0 and 1, 0 is not pressed, 1 is pressed. Just pressed is whether the button has changed from 0 to 1. Just release is whether the button has changed from 1 to 0, and is action pressed means is the button pressed at all? Is it 1 or 0 just right this moment, ignoring like the previous state? We're just gonna input button, and let's actually put the project settings. Let's go input map, and we're not using the UI, we are using the new one. We let's add call it player up. This is going to be W, and then player down, then player left, player right. Player up, we're going to add, we can differentiate between physical key and key. Let's go W. Okay, let's go, and for down we go key down, for left we go key left, A, and for right we go key D. So we got the W, I, S, and D down. We just need to, we have the W, S, and D down. We just need to be able to control the box. So let's just close this, and if input dot is action pressed, player dot player, is there there we go. We have the player up. We have the far movement equals, we also need the far movement equals factor 2, which is just empty for now. We can just leave empty. Do we need the if it's done, let's put movement dot y equals if up, I think negative speed times -1, just to make sure, and then else no else elif input dot is action pressed is action pressed, and this is player down, and we go movement dot y equals speed, and then else movement dot y equals. So we can do this, and it is important for us to differentiate between y movement and x movement. We are going to have another one, but instead of up and down, we go left and right, and instead of movement.y, we go movement.x. Right. So if you can see in the original one, it's kind of dissimilar, but this is just the we take this and do the same. So we have the up and down, but we do the left and right too. And I guess we just need to move and slide with the movement. Right. Let's try this. What if we play the game? No main scene, let's select current. Okay. Where's the what? Okay, let's look at the 2D. What's happening here? Why is there? Is the sprite empty? Oh, is the player not? No, we have the player.jd. Do the game need a script too? Okay, create. Just extends node 2D just to make sure there's a game. I don't know what. What? Where's the game? Where's the character? Let's make the sprite bigger. Transform 5 5. Doesn't look bigger. 50. Where's the sprite? Oh, do we not have a sprite? Oh, okay, we probably didn't have a sprite. That's why I'm kind of confused. Hold on. Let's look at the sprite. Oh, we have the texture. We need the texture. Okay. So texture. Let's just create new image texture. New image. Load. Let's just go icon. Okay. What? Let's just load the icon instead. Oh, whoa, that's big. That is very big. Let's go back to making it a 1 by 1. Okay. What about no? Okay, we have the guy. I guess this is what's the correct? And we are able to move this guy. Now we do not have any border. Let's just look at Godot. How to Godot width and height. Get screen dimensions in the get screen size. Okay. I mean, the project set 1024, and like we can just instead of we can just hard code it. I guess for now, it's not the best way to do it, but like we can do it. So we can. So this is the movement, but we do not have any border, right? So we have if you look at the goal, we have the control the box with W, S, and D, and we have done that. If you look at this um, debug here, if I press W, we go up. If I press S, we go down. If I press A, we go left, and we press D, we go right. Right, and we can move simultaneously. If I press W and D, we go diagonally up and right, and we go AS, we go diagonally left and down, because A is left and S is down. So we can do that. But the thing is, okay, I have to redo that again. Wow, this is actually way faster than Unity. The problem with that is this: if we go too far, we can just go out of bounds, no problem. We can just hard code. There are multiple ways we can do with this. We can add, for example, barriers. Like we can add like collision shapes in all of these four, in the edge of all of this. So we have collision. It's like this. It's like this. Yeah, so we have 4 collision walls, but we can also just do that in code, and I'm not sure whether I should go with one or the other, but for now let's actually just do this. So we have the this is disgusting. So we have this is like the checker, right? This is like the check for the buttons, but we can also like normalize this. We can have if how do we get the X then? Let's look at the code in this again. So that's the movement, and that's the ball. Okay. Start position. Can we try to do that? Hold on. What if can I this dot X? What can we get out of this? So we are the script is in player, right? We have the script here. We have the collision, the input, the transform. All right. If okay, we can get transform.x. Okay, so I guess if transform dot x, so we want to access the x of this. Is if the x is, so we look at the x, if the x is for example bigger than 1024, so so this, how if you look at this, we can see that the game you can see this blue line. This blue line is going to be the game, and if you look at the measurements, this is just above 1000. This is in fact this is 1024. If you look at the project settings and we go general, we can see that the width of the game is 1024 and the height is 600. So if the x of the player is more than 1024, we can just say stop. And how we do that is by asking if the transform dot x is bigger than 1024, and if it is, we can just transform dot x equals 1024 and just movement dot x equals 0. So we negate, we stop it, right? So this is like the stop, and also this is the factor to and int to operator. What? This is transform dot x, right? Transform dot position dot x. What if? Oh, it's not transform then. Position dot x. Okay, let's try this. So this only checks one, but we can make we can just adjust it so it checks all of them. So right now, this doesn't apply to any other wall, so we can go freely outside and in the other wall. But if we go right until it meets the wall, oh, it still works. There we go. So yeah, if it go past 1024, we will stop. So I'm pressing D right now, but it's not moving. It jitters. Let's try not jittering. I don't know why it's jittering. But let's actually try the others. So we have this, and we have this. So that is x is smaller than 0. Position dot x equals 0 and movement dot x, and this is how we have the y of all of this, and instead of 1024 is 600 and 600, and again this is 0 0. Oh, this is y, this is y, this is y, and this should be smaller than. So we can save all of this and try playing nuts. And if whoa, what's this? So we have the 4 borders, but somehow the last border is right there. This is weird. The game is in. This is the game. The game is in the middle. Okay, so I guess we should put the game back to just 0 0 and put the player on 512 and 300. Let's save this again. Let's try that one. Yeah, so right. Okay. So we have done it. So, and this is without walls, so potentially better depending on your taste, I guess. But yes, we have we have successfully done this one, the main goal. We have done it. Let's just put a V in it. Okay. Um, Generation. We haven't done generation. Um, I guess we want to try some score, but we do not have any generation though. We can just not have generation though. We can do this. We can actually, instead of doing it, we can have just a single coin. Okay. So let's make it coin actually. I guess a good one win is like having an actual generator of coin, but right now let's just make a single coin. This is already, if you look at the time, it's already like, this is not late, but I personally do not like going way too late. Yeah, it's not late, but um, it's just, you know, see. Yeah, it's not late or anything, but you know, yeah, it's, I want to sleep. Just that. Let's go. So the player is done. Let's add a coin. Let's add a child node. Just do we need, now the question is, do we need um a what was it? We need the sprite obviously, but do we need like, what's the the what's the name of that? Kinematic, there we go. Kinematic, where's the kinematic? There's no, oh, it's the collision object to D and physics body. Oh, okay. So instead of kinematics, we can go. So kinematic is rigid body and static. So we go static body to D. I guess this is the coin. Let's just name this coin. Let's add the same thing. We add the collision shape. Node to D, collision shape to D, and then we put the shape as new circle shape. Yeah. And then let's add the sprite. Add child node sprite. Node to D, sprite. And sprite, we're gonna add texture, load. Let's just make a file. Let's go to spc.d documents. And let's go test stream. Right. So we will make let's just make a paint here. Right. Just something small. 80 by 80 pixels, sure. Oop. There we go. And let's just put yellow circle. Ooh. Move this and let's put this C. Oh. let's just save this as a okay. We have the coin. We can add the texture coin.png. That's very big. That's very big. No? Offset region. It's no animation. Is there an let's try image texture actually. Lossy quality. What if we do this? Oh, strip. What the hell did that mean? Oh, so it's a texture. Stream texture? How about stream texture? You know what? Let's just the hell. Let's just look at the test stream. What's the icon dimensions? It's details 64 by 64 pixels. Let's just make it 64 by 64 pixels. Let's select. Let's go edge. Make it small. Okay, and then make it 64. Oh, that's 62. And 64. And we just make it big again. There we go. Let's save this, and if we look at the game now, sprite, instead of stream texture, we just load the coin again. Now we have the same size, but let's make it let's transform. Let's make the scale 0.5 and 0.5. I know there's no transparentness. I don't care. This is just a. Now we just like the ball. We're going to add the script here. We are going to add a new script. Call it the coin script. Though we want to do something different. So instead of moving. First up, when ready, we are going to create a random thing. So I guess we also going to need the process. So whenever first up, we are going to put a ready function here. Ready is we are going to hold on. Let's look at the player script real quick. This looks okay. There we go, and we can do this. Okay. We have the position, right? So we go here. We got the coin, and we go just the position dot x equals random. I guess we are just going to see Godot random number. Just look at the how is going on. RNG, random number generator. Rand I. Okay, so we just need what's the thing again? This. Let's go. Let's just for RNG equals new. Random number generator dot new. To just create a new random number, and then position dot x equals rng dot rand I then. From 0 to 1024. The x. If I'm not mistaken, that's yeah. Yes. Okay. And we can do the same thing with y, and instead of 1024 we go 600. Okay, and we are going to just check. So we look at the ball script. This if collision. So we can, how about this? For collide equals collision. Is it always for collision? Why is it? Wait, hold on. Why is there already move and collide here? Is it because direct? Let's look at static body 2D. What does it have? Okay, what does it has? Static body 2D. Okay. Useful for floor and walls. So we have okay. And then how do you move this then? How do you check for collide? Let's just look at what's the static? Yeah. Let's look at collide and static body 2D. Alright, static body is the one that not moved by. Yeah. How do you get collision detection on. Yeah, it doesn't move. Wait, where's the detail on like static body 2D? Detect collision. There we go. Body entered signal on the area 2D. There we go. Why was there no methods there? What the fuck? The hell? Okay, now my computer's getting weird. There we go. So that's physics body 2D. Again, what about how about area 2D? So the So I guess we have to change this to, instead of, let's change type. Instead of static body 2D is area 2D. And so instead of this, we have body entered. Why is this here? Okay, we go here. What? I thought the area 2D has that. Let's look at the Pong demo again. With the ball, this is a collision. This is a static body, dude. Collision.collider.name. I'm confused. Hmm. Let's just. I don't get it. The chest is just that. Let's just look at it. Yeah. How to detect collisions? I don't like body exited on static body. Ah, okay. Your static body cannot detect collisions. Alright, that makes more sense. Well, we're actually I'm actually thinking now. Okay. Since I get how we're supposed to do. I just have to know how this is supposed. Alright. I guess Godot area 2D collision. Check collision. I'm using as a hitbox. Okay, yeah. Oh, I just put body? There. What now? How do you... Huh? Oh, it's a function. Okay. Instead of in the process. Okay. I just noticed that. Never mind. On. What's then the function? On area 2D body enter body. Okay. On. Actually, let's just copy this. It's the same, right? Yeah. Instead of pass, we do the same thing. Let's try that. Okay. Nothing. So that's not it, I don't think. uh, area 2D. Using area 2D. There we go. Let's look at the okay. Then overlap detection. You need to know that the two touch, but you don't need. Yeah, let's say we're making a coin for the player to pick up. The coin is not a solid object, cannot stand on it or push it. We just want it to disappear. Here it is set up. Okay, sprite and the collision shape. To detect the overlay, we connect the appropriate signal character. If the player is another area, use area entered, character body 2D, and therefore a collision object 2D type. We connect the body entered. Okay, so we just do this. You do it like this. Okay, I get it. Okay. No, it's still the same. Extends area to D. Already done. Should I put it like this? Collision 1-1. Oh, signal. Okay. Okay, so we don't do it like this. We like have a signal. So if we hit, so we add how do you do node? Inspector and node. Oh, this. Click coin. Alright, so on coin body entered. So wait, this is in. Oh, it's in. No. We do it in the coin function. So instead, so you have the player, we have the with this again. Okay, let's try that. I am currently very much. Oh, we got it! Woo! Okay, we got the coin. Well, we don't have the point system, but we got the coin. Let's look at the collision shape though. Let's go to inspector. That. No, yeah. Okay. So with this, we have a generating coin and a player that can touch. Both the player and the coin would not be outside of the bounds. We just need a +1 every time. We just need to update the score, right? How that is. But other than that, we have done the coin. Okay, yeah, which is that. So it doesn't. Yeah, we have to enter it again. That's kind of like the thing, right? It's not a. If the coin spawned directly in us, the coin doesn't detect that we have entered it again, even though it's even though it had touched us again. Let's see, like this. So we have touched, but because we haven't like exited and then entered, the coin only detects when we entered. So maybe we should like recheck that, but for a what was it? Oh, that's actually kind of interesting. For a basic project, I think this works fine. So that's the coin. We just need, I guess, another one is just a text. Let's finish the last one. Where's the text? Text. There we go. Rich text label. Where's the label? There we go. Oh. Oh, it's that. Oh, no. Just a text label. Just a label. Add child note instead of label. There you go. We can delete this. Okay. And label, we are going to aligned center. Let's put the anchor on. Ah, there we go. That's direct. So the position will be 512. The this will be 25, just a little bit um grow direction, both and both. The margin, I'm hint. Okay, yeah. So for coin, let's actually also put like the label, right? So how does this work here? Let's go. Let's copy this. Let's go to the coin script. And for ready, we have this, which is just the score, get node, root game, and I guess we change the name from label to score. Far. There, and we actually, this is score label, and score, just the regular score equals 0, and we just gotta score label dot text. Oh. str of score. +1, and then this. Let's try this. So we have the 0. Oh, there we go. And that's, so we have everything. So we have the coin, the movement, and the score. The score is, this is just a, what was that, minimal product, or was it, or just, this is just a prototype, but like for a prototype, I think this is good enough. This is very well, and I actually kind of enjoy that. I probably need to do more things, and there's probably something that I could do to make this quicker, but yeah. So this is the final product. I guess I'm going to call it, at least for now. This is kind of a test stream, and also I'm just learning learning on the go, in my way. I don't like learning just looking at tutorial, reading stuff. I think I just make a game and then figure out things from there. So we don't get to do the generating. We don't do actual generation So this is kind of let's put a comment. Not fully generated, just a just replace. Replace is kind of just move the coin, move the coin. I guess this is kind of where we should call it for now, and maybe next time I will go with like enemy generation plus health and the game over function, which would reset the game. There's probably more to this after. If we have like the reset option, we might actually do something with like the game, this, because right now it's just this, the game script. But yeah, so that's the game right now. That's me just learning Godot. Godot, I guess. I keep forgetting how you're supposed to say the name. I've heard people saying Godot, so I'm just gonna say Godot. But sometimes I will slip and say Godot, and I'm sorry. But yeah, that's it. I guess thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. Goodbye.